Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 5, the second lesson, using advanced chart types. So click any cell in the range A5 to J10. So just click anywhere in that chart. And then on the Insert tab, click the Insert tab. In the Charts group, here's your Charts group. Click the See All Charts dialog box launcher. So this little button right here. In the Insert Chart dialog box, click the All Charts tab. So that's this tab right here. Click Area right here. Click the Stacked Area icon. That's the second one right here. Click the second chart image, the one on the right, and then click OK. So click this one and then click OK. Click and drag the chart to a new location on the worksheet with the upper left corner in cell A14. So A14, we want that upper left corner right here in that cell. Click and drag the bottom right corner handle down to J34. 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 The screen should look similar to the following example. You see mine looks. Notice that the stacked area chart shows the relative sizes of the total expenses for each city and that the total height is a combined total. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select cells A12 to J12. A12 to J12, which is the total row. Open the Insert Chart dialog box. So go back to Insert to where you have that chart dialog box. Open the Display All Charts tab. Click the histogram. And then click OK. Click and drag the chart to a new location on the worksheet with the upper left corner in cell K1. So right there. Click and drag the bottom right corner handle up to Q13. Q13. There we go, Q13. Notice that the histogram creates two columns that roughly divide the values in the total rows into halves. 4 of the total expense values fall on the lower half, and 5 of the total expense values fall on the upper half. So mark that as answer. Go to the next one. With the histogram chart still selected on the Chart Design tab in the Type group, click the Change Chart Type. Click Funnel. And then click OK. The screen should look similar to the following example, which ours does. Notice that the funnel chart type displays bars whose sizes reflect the total expense values for each year relative to one another. So let's mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. And this completes using advanced chart types